Now, you mentioned genus, species, phylum. I remember all that stuff from middle school biology, but why is that relevant other than just, why aren't we just calling this one Steve?
So, and that's a key thing. When you're looking at, canines or dogs or humans, for human, we all know it's kind of Homo sapien, right?
Right.
It ends with the species, genus, species, that's the end. With bacteria, when you're naming it, whenever you're more importantly describing it, there is an extra layer, and it is the strain itself.
Okay.
So what's very important if you're looking at a probiotic or you're looking at a study, Lactobacillus genus, okay, that's like saying I drive a car. Lactobacillus rhamnosus, that's like saying I drive a Toyota. But the strain is what really pins down, well, I have a Camry. Does that make sense? So the strain is an extra kind of layer. But in the case of when you're doing research and you're trying to figure out what bacteria in a product is going to help to get your gut back on track, that strain is everything. Some probiotic products don't list the strain at all. Some list them, and they may be fine or good, but they're not updated to being the most targeted. So it's very critical that you see genus, species, strain. You can't just, overall say, well, lactobacillus is good in the gut. You're 2 levels off.
Got it. So there is a level of specificity that a high quality product is going to have, because that specificity determines its function in the gut.
Exactly. And the specificity has to be correct.
Right.
It may have the specificity, it may have the strain on there, but is it the particular type of Lactobacillus rhamnosus? The product we've carried was Lactobacillus rhamnosus LR32 is the strain. At the time, when we'll get into this more, but it's a good strain. It has been studied, but the real benefit, the most current highest level benefit, is seen with Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG. So there's an example of a strain, and it ties in our old with our new product and kind of shows, why, how important it is, but also why we're doing what we're doing.